What's up, YouTube? It's Eric from Living in the Mitten. Just wanted to jump on before today's video and remind you guys to get entered in our 500 sub Yankum Rope giveaway. I will post the link for the giveaway video down in the description. We are running it through January 16th, 2023. Also, stick around to the end of today's video. You're going to want to see Robbie send it big in the Truggy. Enough talk. Let's get to the action.
So what's going on here?
Fixing this new joint.
And Eric must have welded this one.
Oh, you know I did not weld that.
Oh, okay, buddy.
Yeah, that was probably way before my time.
I believe this is a Rogers drive shaft.
Oh, right. So yeah, you just polish. Listen. When your caps look like this, you just but we have new caps, right? We just knew off another drive shaft from out back.
Right here, just stubby.
Oh, that's out of the bogger.
That's out of the bogger.
Yeah, right on. Those caps fit, so
yeah,
just clean on these. We say, hey, look, we're gonna say that this is just to run today, but reality, what's reality, Robbie?
Gonna go till she breaks.
No, I won't let it break, because then it takes out stuff.
Heard that before.
It might break today.
Oh boy.
Listen, if you prepare it right, it'll be good as new.
Give her the old test.
Dude, that's smoother than frickin'.
Eric's tummy?
No, that's smoother than, the shuttle's bearings.
The shuttle? The space shuttle, Robbie? Is that what he's talking about?
Yeah,
Sure.
Sure.
good.
All
Golden.
right, put it in. Robbing some parts off the old Samurai. Robbie's build that he's currently working on. What year is that, Bert?
I want to say 87?
Yeah, I believe it's
87 Samurai. It's all comp cut. Got a bunch of custom sheet metal work done. Robbie's got an LS sitting in there right now. 60 in the front, Bert.
Yeah, Chevy.
Chevy 60 in the front.
King
Kingpins. And then you got, what, a 14 bolt out back?
Yep, 14 bolt.
Yep.
Got the barns, 4-wheel drive.
Truss kits. Yep. What else? So it's going to be 4-link front and rear. Or are you going with the 3-link?
No, 4-link up front.
4-link up front. 4-link in the rear. 16-inch coilovers. Is that your plan?
We'll see. I might be able to stuff 18s.
Okay. But the plan for this is what? 40s and sitting low, right? That's ride height right now.
42s. Hopefully.
42s. Right on.
We'll see what works better.
She's in the middle of getting done here. She's got a bunch of the work done. And let's just remind everybody, Robbie's 20 years old. So 19. And this is what he does. Hopefully you see this on the channel here soon. We can get her done. So, yep. Throwing a drive shaft in the Blazer, blue transfer case out on our up north trip. Uncle Rob's under there. Got new transfer case and new drive shaft.
205?
Oh yeah, working on some junk. The Blazer. Hey, how mad do you think people would be if they knew this is on a Ford frame? Chevy motor, Chevy body on a Ford frame?
It's not.
Yeah, I mean, that looks awfully Ford to me. He's a little temperamental. Running like Dookie. Oh, right. What a unit! Just all of it. What a rig. Gussie says he's trying the wall of verticalness. How's it feel, bud? Yeah? don't look bad on camera. He's got it. He's got it. No problem. Come on. Come on. TJ on 35s, Bob Knob. The Blazers got it. You got it. Yeah, you got it. Nothing. Yo. It's out here trying different stuff. The Blazer's running good right now, so he's just, you know, he's just got a wheeling Woody. Dude, the Blazer's just a champion. Oh no! Oh no! Your lights are all hanging in junk now.
I'll have that.
You.
Good wheeling day. Bad damaged body part.
True story. That's
why
awesome.
They call me the flop over.
Yeah.
This is still the picture side. The other
Sides. Yeah, the picture side. Is this
the rowdy side.
the vent?
That's on the side, not the picture side.
Yeah. All right, here comes Bert. Claims he's two-wheeling the pit of death. I mean the pit of succession.
Alright, hopefully I'm alive at the end of this. We'll put our seatbelts on for safety.
I'm getting out of the way, I'll tell you that much. Oh, dude! Holy moly! You all right? Oh, did you have the camera on in there? Yeah. That was awesome.
Didn't like that.
No, it didn't, but that was sweet.
That was great. I came in freaking hot.
Oh, right on. We got to review the footage on that one. I bet you your front end was 6 foot in the air. Yeah. Oh, he's
Pretty steady. You're
yeah,
shaking
steady.
a little bit.
Shaky. I'd be shaking too. I'm shaking for you.
Live action, still
In action.
As
I hit the hill, I'm like, dude, I'm going way too fast.
That was freaking sweet though. Ah. All right. All right, post jump. Truggy wouldn't run. Pop the hood.
You see old mass airflow?
This is a mass,
Popped off.
yeah, popped off. She's
The
back
mass
in action.
airflow suspension didn't failed.
Suspension, yeah. Right on. All right, I think this is a good spot to end this video because before we cause any more.
Everything's still moving.
I know, but still, before we destroy it,
You missed all the video, or the show, man.
That's cool.
we'll show them it's on camera.
He
So
remote controls it.
right on. All right, we're wrapping this one up. Robbie, thank everybody for watching.
Thank you, and don't forget to
Subscribe.
subscribe
Like.
and go for our.
Comment if your Truggy could jump like that one. What?
I was gonna say, don't forget to get entered to win our.
Oh yeah, don't forget. There's time left to get entered for the Yankum Rope giveaway. Bro Dozer Yankum Rope.
Too
One
bad
inch
I
to-
can't win it.
I know it. I know it. Uncle Rob, he can't win it either. I can't win it. Dustin can't win it.
What a shame.
We could use it though in the next 2 weeks.
I mean,
Might
we're not
need it
going
right
to,
here.
but we probably will. Probably would need it at some point. So this guy's wheeling too. So all right, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.